Oh my god, you broke it.
No, I didn't.
We are finally installing drywall. This is the first piece ever. How's it feel, Bia?
Awesome.
Her holes lined up on the first try. Professional amateurs making us all look bad.
I wish.
You okay?
Yep.
I was talking to drywall.
I'm not sure about that one.
Yep, where's the... This is why people hate Phillips heads, the jumping.
Right now.
Woohoo!
This is the bad one that doesn't have speed control either, too. So.
We're getting to it. Bianca's so bad at driving, she had me go get the 5th gen with the speed step.
There we go.
Wow.
It needs to go in a little bit.
Crazy.
What the heck do you call that?
Is there one there?
Not really.
That was amazing.
Can you take the rest of the stuff out?
Wait, you don't want it to fall on you?
No.
Alright, I'll grab it. Hang on. Hey, Bia. You know the gap is huge on the stud when you can use a whole nother piece of drywall to fill the gap.
And this one's touchy and this one's touchy. I think
Nice.
it might be a little...
I think it is slightly proud, but I think it will actually suck up enough. I don't know, you'd have to get out some form of...
Well, I'll screw it in, and if not, I can pull it out again.
Alright, that's why screws are invented. Alright, now we were faced with the conundrum, how exactly do we snap 8 feet long of a board after you score it? So we've decided to clear a 4 foot by 8 foot plus area on the floor. We have a 2x4 underneath there, and she's scoring it. We're going to position the 2x4 to be right about there. I don't know if you can see the score line. And then, as one person, we're going to just go push, and then hopefully it'll just snap all along this in one nice perfect line. That's the goal anyways. I got it on camera, Bianca, right here. First time in history you've ever made a line that's not straight.
Yeah, it's not the first time. Okay. Go lay down.
Sorry, dog. Go lay down, girl. Go on. Just for a little bit. We're in construction right now. Go on. Go lay down.
Okay.
Go on. Go lay down. You defiant dog. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so...
Are you letting me do it by myself?
No, I'm helping. I was just going to step right here. Oh.
You didn't even have to.
I did it.
My heart.
Nice. It's a perfect score line, Bia. There we go. What are we doing, Bia?
We are measuring the gap, this gap right here, because it's really big and we can't just put shims. So if you put like something straight across these two 2x4s that are a little bit higher, you can see that we had space to put an extra sheet of drywall here, which is 1/2 inch, and there's still like a 1/8 or 1/4 gap right here. So we're trying to figure out all the way up how much we're going to have to add for the gap, which is...
That's barely the tip of my finger up here. And then what about down here?
This is still
Oh
over
my
half an inch.
gosh, look at that.
Yep.
Just put my whole hand there, and then over here it's nothing.
Yeah, if you look at the wall, it's kind of bowed. There's a gap right here. Because this wasn't even enough.
Wow.
But I am not going to be doing this anytime soon, so whatever.
You know, we're not professional drywallers. We can just call on ourselves. Get our own money back.
To put a shelf right here. Or maybe cut the shelf with the wall.
There you go. Okay, so we found out something really annoying that is requiring what we are doing right now. Believe it or not, this board that was installed is cupped like crazy towards us, okay? So right now, it's barely touching. Now go up here, all the way to the top. Can we see? Or not? The gap's like a 1/4 inch. And if we keep on going up, look at that. It closes to nothing. Okay? Basically no gap. So, that means that this thing is bowed out 1/2 inch from here to all the way down. And then it just goes back in and lines up with this somehow. So, we're going to put these shims here.
1/2 inch shim.
Yeah, never seen those before. Give me that 1/2 inch shims right there. Then, we're basically going to put a screw here, and then put a screw up here, and then put another screw here, and then just call it. Maybe put a screw here also, so it actually installs.
I just need to measure it so I know where to put the screw. About 8 inches. I'll just go from the bottom. 8 and 14, and then 27.5.
You went to here. You need to go all the way up here.
You can't go all the way to the tip. Mamãe, tá muito bolado aqui embaixo, viu? Eu vou cortar mais. Ficou...
We also had to add another 2x4 in the corner here because it went past there, and there would be nothing for this set of drywall to actually adhere to. So past this stud it would be like floating, you know, which would immediately break off. So we put another stud in here, and now it'll be safe for the drywall to go on there without an issue.
There's no insulation here. I can touch it.
It's called a wall, Bianca. It's a wall.
We have an 8-foot wall.
Yep.
And it has space for the outlets too. And I cut those by hand.
Heck yeah.
Nice
job. Well, I call that a major success for today. One wall done. One short wall. Now, we're going to try to see if we have energy to do that back wall. We'll see. Woohoo! We did it! We're up to like 12:30. I don't know why it took us that long, but we got it. One wall, all done. Yes. Super stoked. We can now put some trim on here whenever we get around to it. Now, we just need that back wall. It should be super easy. Yes! It feels great to be getting this done. Also, all the insulation is now installed on the ceiling. I had to turn the heater down, believe it or not. It immediately started working. Yes, we are wrapping things up here. Wrapping the house.